Need more control and precision in your woodworking? A router table is a game changer. In this video, we've tested and ranked the best router tables for every setup: compact, benchtop, and full size. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, we'll help you find the perfect fit for your workshop. Let's jump into the top router tables that deliver real performance without wasting your time or your money. Links to all the products are in the description below. The BOSCH RA1181 benchtop router table is a dependable tool designed for precision and ease of use. Its spacious aluminum top provides a flat, stable surface for accurate routing, while the pre-drilled mounting plate fits a variety of router models for added versatility. The adjustable fence, complete with MDF faceplates, offers strong workpiece support. Two included feather boards improve control and help minimize kickback during operation. A built-in dust port connects to standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, making cleanup quick and efficient. The integrated dual-outlet power strip and front-mounted switch with a safety lock enhance both convenience and safety. While some users report slight wobble, the RA1181's sturdy build and practical features make it a standout among benchtop router tables. Ideal for DIYers and hobbyists, it delivers reliable performance and thoughtful design in a compact form. The JET 73700CK cast iron router table is engineered for precision and durability. Its 32 by 24 cast iron cop top offers rock-solid stability, minimizing vibration for accurate routing. The integrated precision lift allows for quick, above-table bit changes and micro-adjustments, streamlining fine-tuning. A high-quality fence system includes micro-adjust controls, featherboard compatibility, and a flip stop for greater precision and repeatability. Dust management is excellent, with an enclosed dust box and a fence-mounted port that work together to keep debris under control. Despite its weight, the built-in mobile base makes repositioning easy. Though it's a more expensive option, the JET 73700CK stands out for its robust construction, premium features, and customization flexibility, making it an excellent investment for serious woodworkers demanding top-tier performance in the shop. The SKIL SRT1039 benchtop router table stands out as a smart, budget-friendly option packed with user-friendly features. One of its highlights is the integrated above-table router lift, allowing quick and easy bit changes and height adjustments without disassembly. The 24-inch aluminum fence, paired with adjustable MDF faceplates, provides solid support even for taller materials. While not the largest table on the market, its size is ample for most routing tasks. The dual-sided bit storage keeps accessories neatly organized and easily accessible, and the included feather boards offer added safety and control. The laminated MDF work surface is smooth and durable, supported by a sturdy frame that feels solid during use. Although dust collection could be improved, particularly in terms of port placement, it's a minor trade-off for the value offered. For DIYers and hobbyists seeking a versatile, affordable benchtop router table, the SKIL SRT1039 is a reliable and well-rounded performer. The BOSCH RA1141 portable benchtop router table is a compact, user-friendly option ideal for those who value portability and convenience. Designed with folding legs, it sets up quickly and stores easily, making it perfect for small workshops or on-the-go projects. The easy-click mounting system allows for quick router attachment and hassle-free bit changes without complicated leveling. Though compact, it delivers solid performance with a smooth, laminated MDF surface that ensures stable, accurate routing. A tall fence, along with two feather boards, offers reliable workpiece support and improved safety. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized, while a starter pin and guard simplify curved routing. Arriving pre-assembled, it's ready to use right out of the box. The RA1141 is an excellent solution for hobbyists or professionals who need a lightweight, efficient, and budget-friendly router table without sacrificing essential features. The KREG PRS210 Precision Benchtop Router Table is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIYers seeking a compact yet powerful router setup. Its anodized aluminum fence features independently sliding faces, offering precise control and flexibility when routing. The durable 16 by 24 reinforced MDF top coated with easy slide microdot skin ensures smooth and consistent material movement. Stability is enhanced by a sturdy steel stand and vibration dampening rubber feet that reduce noise and keep the table firmly in place. Unique bottom-up insert plate levelers make bit height adjustments quick and accurate, simplifying setup. Whether used in a workshop or on-site, the PRS2100 delivers reliable, precise performance in a portable design. Priced at $249, it combines professional-grade features with affordability, making it a standout option for anyone needing a versatile and efficient benchtop router table. Goodbye, woodworkers! Thanks for watching our guide on the best router tables. Which one caught your eye, and what project are you planning next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Remember, all the links to these router tables are in the description box below to make your shopping easy. Stay tuned for more woodworking tips and gear reviews. See you in the next video!